The undead are tireless. There's no way to outrun them.
You see, Lord Archimonde, we need not fear the Night Elves. The Scourge can...
Archimonde, after 10,000 years, how is it possible?
The Legion has returned to consume this world, woman. And this time, your troublesome race will not stop us. Fools! You let her slip away! Find her, damn you! Find her and kill her!
The day we have long feared has finally come. The Burning Legion has returned. I must cross the river and warn the rest of my sisters before all is lost. Someone threatens the wilds. By Elune. As the goddess wills.
These damn Night Elves cannot escape us. Lord Archimonde wants them found!
So be it. Immediately. As the goddess wills. So be it. I must avoid being seen. By Elune. So be it.
Lord Archimonde wishes us to corrupt this forest, and we shall.
Anudora! Okalamdor! As the goddess wills, the goddess calls. As the goddess wills. Someone threatens the wilds?
Alunadore, priestess. We are yours to command. Fair enough.
The goddess calls.
Point the way. Done. One shot, one kill.
Immediately.
Your move.
Foul humans. You cannot evade the goddess's wrath.
Waiting.
Clearly the humans have no love for the undead, but I dare not trust them. In the name of Cenarius! Anudora! So be it. Okalamdor!
On your mark. Cry havoc.
Those orcs appear to be guarding some magical treasure. It might prove useful to me. By Elune, as the goddess wills. As the goddess wills. Immediately.
I'll give it a shot. Waiting on you.
I heed the voice of Elune. So be it. The goddess calls.
On your mark.
I heed the voice of Elune.
Alunadore, priestess. Be wary. The Doomguards command shades that can see us, even when we meld with the shadows. We'd best stay away from them.
In position. I heed the voice of Elune.
Make it fast.
Immediately.
Your move.
Speak your mind. Absolutely.
My Archimonde.
Silly Night Elf, you cannot hide from us.
I am sworn to
I hear the
avenge.
voice of a loon. Someone threatens the wilds. The goddess calls. As the goddess wills.
Point the
The
way.
goddess calls.
Waiting on you.
Ashatoraman. As the goddess
Speak
wills.
your
Your
mind.
shadow powers will not hide you from our sight.
The goddess calls. So be it. By Elune. Immediately. So be it. I must reach the river before the dawn breaks. I cannot remain hidden during the day. So be it.
I am sworn.
Ambush! Run for your lives! We'll regroup in the clearing ahead!
Ashatoraman.
Waiting on you.
The goddess calls. As the goddess wills. By Elune.
Standing
I
guard.
heed the voice of Elune.
Make it
The
fast.
goddess calls. Immediately. As the goddess
Speak your
wills.
mind.
Ashrathoraman.
Sandu doth Belore.
Ishnu Allah, sisters. It is I, Tyrande. Immediately.
Speak your mind.
I heed the voice of
In
Elune.
position.
Immediately. By Elune.
Standing guard. As the goddess wills.
Someone threatens the wild.
I shall not fear. I am sworn to avenge. In position.
The goddess calls.
Speak your
Point the
mind.
way.
Ashrathoraman.
Make it fast.
On your mark.
Speak your mind. Absolutely. As the goddess wills.
The dawn has come. I can no longer rely upon Elune's power to keep me hidden. These abandoned ballistas will help me break through the undead fortifications. The goddess calls. By Elune.
Your move.
Someone threatens the wilds. The goddess calls. Someone threatens the wilds. I heed the voice of Elune. The goddess calls. So be it. As the goddess wills. Immediately.
Standing
Point the
guard.
way.
I heed the voice of Elune. As the goddess wills. So
Make
be
it fast.
On your mark.
As the goddess wills.
Ashrathoraman.
Standing guard.
Ashrathoraman.
Tyrande, praise Elune, you've made it. The undead appeared out of nowhere and attacked our village without warning.
Ishnudaldiev Chandris, we have a greater problem. The undead were sent here by the Burning Legion, our ancient enemies of old. Against such might, we have only one option. We must awaken the druids.